Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I am going to discuss a few tips and tricks regarding FFCS, which I have personally followed in last 3 semesters and aced FFCS. So I request you to see this video till end, and I have added a bonus tip at end of the video. So as you know, FFCS is fully flexible credit system in which you are allowed to choose your subjects, faculty, time, and buildings of the subjects or the classrooms, and in this way it's become fully flexible. But if you don't do it properly, it becomes very hectic, and you will regret it for rest of the semester. So it's a very crucial part of the semester, and you have to do it carefully in order to ace the FFCS and get good marks in the semester as well. So now I will be discussing few tips that will help you make a perfect timetable and ace the FFCS. So first step is, as you all know, there are different slots in VIT: morning slot and evening slot. Morning slot is denoted by A1, B1, C1, and evening slot is denoted by A2, B2, C2, and so on. You will be having slots from A to G, and in these slots you are allowed to choose different subjects in different slots, like a morning slot and evening slot. So what I would recommend is, for making a perfect timetable, don't miss up the slots. For example, if you are taking subjects in A1 slot, so stick to all subjects in A1 slots. So if you are taking theory in A1 slot, take all the theories in A1 slot and all the labs in A2 slot. So what will happen, you will get theory in the morning slot and all the labs in the afternoon or evening slot. So this will help you a lot, and there won't be any clashes of classes and labs, which happens most probably in VIT. More people complain about this every year in FFCS. So second step is, have backups, because there is a huge competition and it's a first come first serve basis. So you won't be getting all the desired courses and desired faculties. So for example, I want to take calculus in A1 slot. So what I will do, I will take a list of the faculties teaching calculus in A1 slot. For example, there are three faculties, A, B, C. So what I will do, I will make a priority order which faculty to select. If in case the faculty A is not available, I won't sacrifice the slot. I will take faculty B in A1 slot. What it will do is, I will keep the A1 slot and it won't jumble all rest of my timetable. So keep in mind, don't change the slot. Fix the slots for your subjects first and then choose faculties. Don't choose faculties and then set the slot for your subjects. It will make a chaos at the end, and you won't be getting the desired subjects and desired faculties. So keep your slots fixed and change the faculties according to the availability. Don't change the subject according to availability of the faculties, because at the end of the day you need to complete the subjects. That's what will get you a degree. So tip number 3 is, have a good internet connection. So what I mean by a good internet connection, that your internet connection must not fluctuate or shut down while doing FFCS, because once you are logged out, you may face difficulties logging in again. There are many things you need to see while doing FFCS. I will make a dedicated video on mistakes to avoid in FFCS, which will be coming after this video. So stay tuned for it. Next tip is, take the core courses first. So as you know, in last video I have explained the core subjects. So in core subjects, you have a particular number of subjects, and they are compulsory, and they are allotted for specific semesters only. For example, some courses are allotted in even semesters, some are allotted in odd semesters. So you must not waste the chance. If you are getting that subject, you should grab the opportunity and take the subject as soon as possible, because at the end, when you go towards third and fourth year, you need to make a flexible timetable, a free timetable. In order to achieve that, you need to take up all the core subjects in first and second year, so you can study for your higher education or prepare for placements in your third and fourth year. Next tip is, take at least 20 credits in each semester. So as you all know, you have to complete at least 150 credits for graduating. So in order to get 150 credits, you need to take at least 20 credits in each semester. I would recommend taking 20 credits. The minimum credits is 16 and maximum is 27. 16 will be very free timetable, and 27 is a very hectic. But what I would recommend is take a middle way and take 20 credits, and you will finish all the courses by end of your 4 semesters. Next step is take same buildings. So what people forget while taking the FFCS is they don't see the building and room number. For example, if your first class in a main building, so try to choose your second class or the consecutive class after the first class in MB. Don't choose it in SJT or TT. What it will do, you have to run from main building to SJT for taking your second class. So it won't be convenient, and you would get tired jumping from this building to that building for taking classes. So make sure that you take your classes in same building, or if you don't get same buildings, at least try to take classes in buildings which are nearby. You can check the distances on Google. Or if you have a break in between, like you have first lecture and you don't have second lecture and you have third lecture, then you can choose different buildings. It's not a problem. But if you have all 4 lectures aligned one by one, then I won't recommend taking different buildings. It won't be helpful now in online mode, but it's really helpful in offline mode, because you have to run from here to there. So in this video I have told all the tips and tricks for acing the FFCS. In next video I will be telling how to make a perfect timetable and steps to avoid while doing your FFCS.